Today we are going to be playing with slime again and adding some colors this time. We're going to add orange, food coloring, yellow, food coloring, red, food coloring, and blue, food coloring. These are all very safe in case ingested. Do not try to eat your slime. It is safe, but we are trying to be as safe as we can, okay? All right, so we're going to split these up into 4 pieces of slime. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add a little bit of this one to this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of slime. So this one will turn blue, this one will turn red, this one will turn yellow, and this one will turn orange. All right. Little bit of orange here. You really don't need a lot. Yellow here. Red here. Blue here. And then I just kind of fold the colors. And it's fun to squish them and pull them and break them. Fun. It looks like orange cream slime. That's so fun. I love it. Let's do yellow next. It's fun to knead and squish your dough, your slime dough. We can pretend like it's dough. I can pretend like I'm making cupcakes. I can pretend like it's an ice cream. I'm not gonna eat it, but I can pretend. Looks like a little ice cream cone, doesn't it? Very cute. Now time for red. Squish, squish, squash, squash, squish, squash, squish. Oh, wow. Do you hear all those pops and cracks? So fun. They look like little ice creams. Maybe this one we could pretend like is a cupcake. You can have a strawberry and cream cupcake. That is so fun. I love this. Time for blue. Ooh, there's all my blue. Oh, how fun is this? Oh, it's so bright. Wow. Blueberries and cream swirl. I can pretend like I have an ice cream shop or a bakery. I love to pretend and use my imagination. It's so fun. You know what's so cool about this? When you wash your hands, it comes off. Okay, so we have our blueberry vanilla cupcake, our strawberry and cream ice cream. This could be our lemon swirl cookie, and our orange dream. What should this one be? Any ideas? Orange cream, delicious. So fun. blue, red, yellow, orange. Slime, 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 slime. Thanks for playing with me today. I had so much fun. I'm going to go wash my hands now, and I'll see you next time. Bye.